I am Dr. N.K. Sakthivel. I would like to discuss the second unit of problem solving and Python programming, and after that I would like to discuss a few possible MCQ questions, those questions we may expect in our Anna University online examination. So this will help you to understand the possible MCQ questions, and this video will help you to practice for your better performance at your university examinations. GE8151 problem solving and the Python programming, we focused on the second unit. The second unit consists of introduction to Python. That means we focus the features of Python programming and how to install Python and how to write a program in Python. A brief introductions we will discuss. And we going to focus what is a Python interpreter or the interpreter mode and interactive mode and script mode we will discuss. You know very well, as far as Python is concerned, this is the interpreter. Then, so Python values and data types we will discuss, and followed by we will discuss various variables, expressions and statements. Then we will discuss certain what is called data structures, particularly list, tuple and dictionary we will discuss. Then after that a few string handling mechanisms we will focus, and after that illustrative programs, especially how to exchange the values of two numbers with temporary variable and without a temporary variable. This will be the first program. And the second program, how to circulate the values of n variables which are stored in this list we will discuss. Then few programs we will discuss. So this is the objective of unit 2 of Python programming, and everything we discussed in detailed manner and videos and all uploaded. And in this video I would like to give you brief introduction about all these concepts which will help you to understand MCQ questions. So we will discuss one by one. So this is the mind map. So the mind map purpose is so that is a unit 2 you can understand very easily. So as you know, unit 2 data, expressions and statements. Under these topics, the first we will discuss introduction to Python, where we will focus features of Python programming, installation and how to write program Pythons like this. So all the topics, okay, I would like to give you introduction, then we will focus MCQ questions. Okay, the first, okay, as you know, the Python programming is the what is called freely downloadable open source software, and this software was introduced, that means this language was developed by, okay, that is a great professor, that is a creator of Python, that is called Guido van Rossum. And the purpose of and the applications of the Python is concerned, okay, we can use this Python for web development, software development, all mathematical models we can implement, and it is possible to write system scripting also. So most of the languages designed either for scripting or for web development or for software development. So whereas this Python is a unique tool which can be used for all type of software development, and a highly readable, and it is a interactive mode. Interactive mode is a very important concept which we already discussed. As of now, we have a Python version 3.9.1 and various features like it is very simple, open source software, high level language, and it is a portable. Portable means it is a comfortable for writing program for all type of demands applications. Then interpreted and interactive. You know very well what is interpreted. Each line will be converted into binary and it will execute, not like compilation concept. And it is object oriented, and these are the applications. Sometimes in the university examination they may ask you what are the prime features of Python. So for this purpose I would like to refresh this one. And the next one is the installation process. I have launched a video, so in this link, so you can take this video and you can watch this video for understanding purpose how to install Python successfully. So this is the website, sorry, this is the link, okay, you can download and you can get this video. And as far as Python editor is concerned, this is used for typing our program and for compilation purpose, that is execution purpose. That is called IDE. IDE means Integrated Development Environment. Integrated Development Environment, that is IDE. As far as Python is concerned, okay, that the same IDE is named as IDLE, that is Integrated Development and Learning Environment. Both are the same. So IDLE has, that means Python has its own editor. Not necessary. If you wanted, you can use different editors also. For example, PyCharm is one of the editors, Spider is another editor, Jupyter is a very good editor. I am using the Jupyter only, and Sublime, like this, different editors and all there. For learners, new learners can use, okay, that is IDLE, this editor. Okay, so these are the some ideas, okay, I tell you. Then after that, a few applications also. I already told you the applications of Python include web development, block creation, all scientific and numeric computing, all mathematical models can be implemented, and games can be designed, developed with the help of Python, and language development, even, okay, different language, different tools we can be developed with Python. So here I would like to give you one information. This Python programming language is created with the C programming language. This is a brief introduction. Then after that, so I told you, okay, that is a Python has an interpreter. Interpreter means, okay, that each line will be compiled, that means converted into binary, and okay, it will be executed. That is called interpreter. You know very well, already told you. And okay, that is a Python has a two different execution mode. One is called interactive mode and other one is called scripting mode. Interactive mode is like a calculator. Okay, straight away in this prompt we can type and we can calculate. For example, 4 plus 5. Okay, under this prompt, okay, we can type like 4 plus 5 and we can get the result and we can print. That is called interactive mode. And the other one is script mode, where we can create our file. Okay, in the file we can type our program. After storing our all the instructions, that can be executed. That is called script mode. Okay, so if you are going to create a Python and the Python extension is, okay, that is a program file.py. So as you know, it's a brief introduction I gave you. So this is the interactive mode. So here, okay, for example, in this prompt, okay, you can type whatever you wanted. For example, 4 plus 5. If you are entering, you will get a 9. Okay, print C, then it will print the content of C. Like this, it is a interactive mode. Okay, interactive mode. Okay, the script mode is like this. We are creating a one editor. Okay, that is notepad, and where we are typing all the programs and you can combine. Okay, this is for compilation purpose, isn't it? So for executing a Python, so we have, I wanted to use py, or you can type the Python also, both are the same. And the Python programs will have the extension, okay, that extension is py. So this is the small program, okay. So execution procedure for understanding purpose I shown this, and these things we can expect. Then after that, data types. In MCQ questions, okay, that we may get the question like this: what are the types of Pythons, data types? So there are 5 types, that is called numbers, strings, list, tuple and dictionary. Frankly speaking, list, tuple and dictionary are called as data structures. The data structure also coming and listing under data types. So what is the numbers? It is a number. There is 3 types of numbers, that is called numerical numbers. One is called integer value, like this we can assign, and other one is a long integer values we can assign. If you wanted to use octal numbers and hexadecimal numbers, we can use. Okay, next one is the float. For example, 3.14, that is a floating number we can use, and other one is a complex number. For example, so that is a 22.33j and 5e plus 30, like this. Wanted to manipulate, calculate complex numbers we can use. So under the numbers, so we have what is called 4 type: integer, long integer, float and complex numbers and all. Then as far as the string is concerned, it is very simple. Okay, this is the string. Okay, string means within a single code, what are the characters we are typing, the Python will consider as the string. Either it is a single quote or it is a double quote. Okay, so it is possible. So that is called, okay, that is string model. Then I already told you list, tuple and dictionary. Very important, okay, that is information I would like to highlight. The list and tuple, okay, are used to store the array of data. Okay, if you are going to use what is called a list, okay, within the square bracket, okay, opening square bracket and closing square bracket, we can store the data. Whereas in the tuple, isn't it a circle bracket? Inside the circle brackets, we can store the data. As far as list is concerned, it is editable. After entering a data can be updated. Whereas a tuple, okay, it is read only, it is protected, so you cannot edit. So it is called as immutable. Understand? So that is tuple is nothing but immutable. So university examination, you can ask a questions. So what do you mean by immutable? Immutable means not able to update, not able to edit, or that is read only mode. Okay, whatever you wanted, you can tell. Okay, that's a very important one. Okay, and the dictionary, so this is the pattern of the syntax of dictionary. Okay, dictionary means this is the key. Under the key we stored data. So data and can be stored on the key with this colon. Okay, this colon, please note it down. Okay, and if a key is an integer type, okay, no need to put a quotation. Okay, otherwise if it is a string type, you wanted to use within the single quotes. That's all. So this is the examples of dictionary. So in university MCQ questions, they may ask you, okay, how to assign that is a string, what are the features of list or tuple or dictionary. So what is the purpose of this colon, what is the syntax of dictionary, tuple, list, like this we can expect. They will give certain syntax and we wanted to understand which is the correct syntax or which syntax has its own error. So like this we wanted to identify. And the types of operators. Okay, so it is overview only. My purpose is to focus MCQ questions, but before focusing MCQ questions, I would like to highlight. Okay, so that the detailed discussion is already given, the videos and all created and launched. So if students wanted to understand the concept thoroughly, watch my videos, so that will give you fruitful information. Okay, so types of operators, so that is, you know, arithmetic operators, this is arithmetic operators. Okay, then assignment operators. Assignment operator means using arithmetic operators we can assign, for example, a equal to a plus 10, so c equal to a plus b, this and all assignment operators. Shorthand operators also you have. Okay, so then after that as comparison operators, this like this, so equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, and like this. Then after that logical operators. Okay, the logical operators and or not, you know very well. If this condition is true and this condition is true, then output is true as far as and is concerned. That means this condition should become true and this condition also becomes true. Okay, then okay, this output is true, otherwise output is 0. That means output is false under the and logic. You already studied, okay, that is logics and all, so you know very well. As far as OR is concerned, either one of the inputs and all true, the output is true. Not means ulta, the condition, total condition is true, okay, output is false, and like this you know very well. That is called logical operators. Then identity operators. Identity operator means, for example, x is one list and y is another list. So it is the mechanism to test whether x is available, okay, in y or not. Okay, so for this purpose we are using identity operators. And the membership operators, okay, that is x in y. Okay, here, okay, x is the one list and y is the another list. So we wanted to understand both are the same or not. Okay, so like this. Even the identity operators also we can compare. So x is the one content, both are same or not. okay, we can identify. Whereas in the membership operators, so here it is available. For example, let us consider y equal to 10, 20, 30, 40 and x equal to 10, 20. Then we can compare whether the 10, 20 is in y. That means 10, 20, 30, 40 or not. Already we discussed. For understanding purpose, I tell you. So these are the different operators and operator mechanisms we discussed. Then a very important one is, okay, that is operator precedence. Okay, so the operator precedence, okay, is a very important one to solve the problems or solve the expressions, sequence and all. Okay, so what are the things, expressions coming under parenthesis? It has the highest priority, then followed by exponent and followed by unary plus or minus, or that is bitwise not. Then after that multiplication, division, that is a floor division and a modulus, and like this all the operators we explained. Okay, so this is the sequence. So based on that only our Python programming will solve the equation. So which is the highest priority within the parenthesis? For example, in university examination they may ask you, for example, addition and subtraction, which will execute first? So we do not know. First addition is there, addition will be performed. If first subtraction is there, subtraction will be performed. Both are equal priority, no highest priority. Similarly, this and all, multiplication, division, floor division, modulus and all, equal priority. For example, if multiplication expression is first, multiplication will be performed. If modulus is there, modulus will be performed. All are equal priority. So like this, we may expect certain MCQ questions. Then we will focus about the functions. I already told you, explained, okay, functions in a detailed manner with my video. So the main purpose of function is to split the complicated problems, and each small problems we can solve with different functions. That is the primary objectives. So functions we can consider as two types of function. One is called a built-in function or built-in library function, that is like float, integer, type, print and input. That means these functions we as a user cannot create in our project because already created, and if you wanted you can use it. The same name we cannot create, okay, another function. That is the meaning of built-in function. Whereas in the user defined function, okay, you can create your own function in your project. For example, I wanted to add two numbers. You can create a function that is a sum. Like this I created. For example, if you wanted to add, okay, you can create, that is addition. Any name we can create a function like this. Okay, this is called user defined function. So university examination we may expect the question, the built-in function means the function we cannot create, which already created when developing a programming languages. If needed we can use it. Okay, so these are the ideas. So with this I would like to focus MCQ questions. I hope the basic concept you understood. Now we will focus, okay, that is MCQ questions. So okay, we will discuss actually in the first unit topic, second unit topic, data, expressions and statements. Okay, this is the what is called the syllabus, you know very well. We discussed everything, and the first question is, okay, and one input I would like to give you. University examination, few 1 mark questions and a few 2 mark questions will come. 1 mark question means simply you can choose the choice, and 2 mark question means you wanted to apply your common sense, you wanted to calculate certain things, and based on your derived result you can identify this option. Okay, so that, okay, you will get a 2 marks. Okay, we will combine, I will explain you. This is the 1 mark question. Who developed the Python language? You know very well. Okay, that is a Python language was created by, okay, Guido van Rossum. Okay, so this is the correct answer. And the second question, in which language is Python written? I already told you Python was created with the help of C programming language. Okay, so C is the correct answer. And the third one is, which one of the following is the correct extension of the Python file? I told you, okay, that is a py. Okay, that is a Python py. Okay, so py is the extension. This is the correct answer. And the fourth one, okay, so what do we use to define a block of code in Python language? Let us consider that it is a Python language. So if you wanted to create a particular block that should be executed under certain conditions, how to create a block? So block can be created with indentation, okay, that is indentation, indentation. So this is the correct answer. And the fifth question, which character is used in Python to make a single line command? So single line command, you know very well. For example, sometimes I am creating a program and the program is created by myself. For example, I wanted to type my name. Okay, Python syntax won't accept this one. So that I am putting in this command. So for this purpose, the command line is there. So this is the symbol to create a command line. Okay. And the sixth question, okay, so which of the following declarations is incorrect? So the declaration, all are that is correct, okay, nothing wrong on that. So this underline, underscore x, this also correct, double underscore, this also correct, no guidelines. So all declarations and all correct. So that is, answer is none of these, none of the above. Okay. The seventh question. Okay, so which of the following is not a keyword in Python language? You know very well. So that is a different Python, what is called the keywords and all there. I already explained in our videos. Okay, so that is a false is one of the keywords, true also one of the keywords, as also one of the keywords, in and everything. So here, as far as this input example is concerned, the value is not a keyword. So that which of the following is not a keyword? So value is not a keyword. And eighth question, which of the following statement is correct for variable names in Python language? So that is, which is the correct? Okay, following statement is correct for variable names. Okay, so what is the constraints and the guidelines for declaring variable names? All variable names must begin with an underscore. Okay, so all variable names must begin with an underscore. No, statement is correct. So this is wrong. See the question, which of the following statement is correct? So this is not a correct. So ignore. Unlimited length. Of course, when declaring a variable, no constraints for variable length. So this is the correct answer. Okay, so this is the correct answer. Okay, ninth question. Okay, which of the following operators is the correct option for calculating power? So that is a power of AB. Power of AB. Okay, that's a Python comment is. Okay, so power, this you know that is a double star is used for representing calculating power. So this is the correct answer. So if you are consider C programming, this is also correct. As far as Python is concerned, this is the correct. Please note it down. 10th question. Okay, which of the following precedence order is correct in Python? Okay, so already we discussed, okay, that is a precedence order. The first parenthesis, then exponential, then multiplication, division, then addition, subtraction, and it is going so on and so forth. And the next one is multiplication, then no, second also wrong, third also wrong, fourth also, first is the correct answer. First parenthesis, then exponential, then multiplication or division, then addition or subtraction. 11th question. Which one of the following has the same precedence level? Okay, 4 options given, same precedence level. So I already told you in this video when we discuss about the precedence. Okay, so division and multiplication, okay, has the same precedence. Okay, division and multiplication. Subtraction is here. If you are giving addition, then it is also correct. So as far as this input is concerned, the second is the correct answer. Then 12th question. Okay, which one of the following has the highest precedence in the expression? Which is the highest precedence? I told you parenthesis. So parenthesis is the correct answer. 13th question, which of the following functions is a built-in function, okay, in Python? Okay, built-in function. So for example, built-in function means the function already created when developing Python programming language. So as far as this input is concerned, print is the built-in function, add is the user-defined function, value also user-defined function according to this example. So please understand all the built-in functions so that you can, okay, any input here can give, okay, so you can identify. Okay. 14th question, which of the following is correctly evaluated for this function? So power of x, y, z. See the power calculation, that means x power y, y power z. Okay, so this one is, okay, this is the correct answer. X power y, then after that power z, isn't it? So this is the correct answer. 15th question. So for example, this is the 2-mark question. Reason because straight away, okay, no answer. So the program was given. You wanted to solve this program. During a solving, you will get a one solution. You wanted to find out whether the solution output is available or not. Okay. So for example, x equal to 1, while true, okay, x modulus 5 equal to 0 means break. Otherwise, you continue. So 1 modulus 5, okay, is not equal to 0, so that it will execute here. If equal to 0, the break will be executed. So x equal to 1, so that this statement becomes a false, so that the break won't be executed, so it will come down. So now print 1 value will be printed. Then after that now, okay, assignment operator x equal to x plus 1. So now x is incremented, okay, now x equal to 2. So 2 modulus, okay, that is a 5, not equal to 0, so 2 will be printed. Then 3 will be printed. Then 4 will be printed. Then 5. See, 5 modulus 5. So what is the remainder? Okay, remainder is 0, so break. So 1, 2, 3, 4 will be printed. So this is the correct answer. So my dear student, please understand, in our university MCQ questions, this is the 2-mark question. So okay, please understand. And the 16th question. Okay, so what will be the output of this statement? So A is under string, then plus BC is under string. So ABC, output is ABC. Okay, so this is the output. And the 17th question, okay, so what will be the output of this statement? Similarly, I explained earlier, I equal to 0, while I is less than 3, print I. So this condition is true now, so that I will be 0 will be printed. Okay, then after that I will be incremented. Now 2 is less than 3, the condition is true, so that 2 also will be printed. Now 3 is less than 3, now also condition is true or false, so that is consider 0 printed, 1 printed, then after that 2 printed, then after that when I equal to 3, okay, 3 is less than 3 is the false, okay, so that else part will be printed. I explain again, I equal to 0, so while 0, I means 0 no, 0 is less than 3, the condition true, so that, okay, 0 will be printed. Okay, then after that now, okay, I equal to incremented, so now I equal to 1, okay, already 0 printed. Then after that 1 is less than 3, the condition is true, so that 1 will be printed. Now I equal to 2, okay, 2 is less than 3, true, so that 2 will be printed. Till now 0 printed, 1 printed, 2 printed. Now, okay, that is I equal to 3, 3 is less than 3, the condition becomes false, so that, okay, I won't be printed, that is this condition is false, so that this block won't be executed, is come out and come down to else, so that 0 will be printed. So what is the output? 0, 1, 2, 0. This is the correct output. So please understand, university examination sometimes the questions will confuse you. Okay, this also seems to be correct answer. Please understand. Okay, this is the correct answer because last iteration, okay, this won't be true, so that else block will be executed, so 0 will be printed. 0, 1, 2, 0. Okay. 18th question. Okay, which of the following data type is shown below? So L equal to, okay, that is a square bracket. Square bracket means what? So it is the list. Okay, so list is the data type. Okay, what happens when, okay, that is, this is the string, because it is the quotes, this is the string is equal to 2 is executed. Okay, this is string 2 is not equal to numerical 2, so that false. Answer is false. 20th question. Okay, which of the following will give error? Okay, so A equal to B equal to C equal to 1. Okay, this is not allowed declaration. A, B, C equal to 1, this is allowed declaration. Okay, so error is this one. Okay, for 20th question, this is the correct answer. That means error. Okay. 21st. All keyword in Python are in lowercase, in uppercase, both upper and lower case. Okay, some keywords under lowercase. For example, is, in, and other than lowercase. Okay, whereas in the uppercase, true, false and all uppercase. First letter uppercase. So the correct answer is both uppercase and lowercase. 22nd question. Okay, x equal to 6, y equal to 2, print x power y. Okay, so what value will be printed? So that is x equal to 6 power 2. Okay, what will be printed? Okay, so 36 will be printed for this print statement. Then print x by 6, x equal to 6, and okay, y equal to 2. Okay, so that is quotient only calculating. This is a quotient calculation. Okay, so that is a 3. 6 by 2 equal to 3. Okay, so this is the correct answer. Okay, 23rd question. Okay, so what will be the output of the following Python code? So string is hello printing, then string of, okay, that is colon to 2. What is the meaning of colon to 2? Starting onwards, okay, before two strings. This is a 0 string, this is a first string, okay, this is a second string. So before second string wanted to print, so he will be printed. He first is the correct answer. The 24th question. What will be the output of the following Python code? So a equal to a plus and string 2. See here, indent different, so that the Python code won't be executed. The indentation error. This is the indentation error. Okay. 25th question. In order to store values in terms of key and value, we use what core data? Keys and value, okay, we are accessing, that is a dictionary, no doubt about that. Straight away dictionary. 26th question. Okay, which of the following is a Python tuple? Python tuple means, okay, circle bracket. So this is the Python tuple. And 27th question. Okay, what will be the output of the following Python code? Okay, T1 equal to T2 equal to T1 less than T2, not less than. T1 and T2 are equal, so answer is false. Okay, 28th question. Okay, is the following Python code valid? A equal to, okay, one tuple given and delete A. Yes, it is correct only. That means this tuple will be deleted. Yes, the entire tuple. Okay, the third is the correct answer. And 29th question, if A is 5, 6, 7, 8, this is the dictionary. Which of the following statement is false? Which is false? Print length of A. Okay, it will be printed as 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, will be printed. Okay, minimum value 5 will be printed. Everything is correct. Okay, remove 5, 5 will be removed. That error is this one. Okay, so whether it is a false, this is the false. 30th question. Okay, what will be the output of the following Python code? Okay, so one function foo of k equal to 1. Now the k value is 1, that is this is list 1. Now q equal to 0. Now q equal to 0. foo of q means 0. 0 will be 0. Okay, so 0. Then print q. Okay, print q means what will be printed? What will be printed? Okay, so 0 will be printed because it is a print q. Okay, q equal to 0, so that 0 will be printed. Okay, this is the answers. So for understanding purpose, so I executed. I would like to see the score also. Okay, this everything is correct, my dear student. So I hope you understood all the concepts. So please expect the possible questions like this. So before that, understand all the basic concepts, watch my all previous videos and read okay my materials, so that you can understand the entire concept of unit 2. Then you watch this video, it will give you fruitful result. So the second unit also completed. If you have any doubt, watch this video again and again for better understanding, and I wish you to score highest mark in our university examination. Thank you. Bye.